In St. Matthew's Gospel, chapter 26, Jesus reveals the importance of his death and of the writings it should later serve as proof. When one of his companions tried to defend him with a sword, he said, Sunday na naman ngayon, March 23, 2025, magbabasa na naman tayo ng Bible. Put back your sword into its place. Do you suppose that I cannot appeal to my Father, who would at once send to my aid more than 12 legions of angels? How then could the scriptures be fulfilled which say that which must be? Matthew chapter 26 verse 52 to 54. It was in fact necessary for Jesus to die in order for the truth to be known throughout the world. Tonight at 8:30 on my YouTube channel, live I will explain this in details. After his death, Jesus was resuscitated with the help of the creators. Suddenly there was a violent earthquake, for an angel of the Lord came down from heaven, and drawing near, rolled back the stone and sat upon it. His face shone like lightning, his garments were white as snow. Matthew chapter 28 verse 2 to 3. As I said, I will explain this 8:30 tonight live on my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.